Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so great trader tape. Great trader tape. I come on here yesterday morning and tell you, the Bears blew their opportunity. They had to do ABCD. They didn't do ABCD. Bulls, Bulls look good. Bulls are in control. And they were. They went all the way up. They filled that gap at 91. Then they spent the rest of the day not being able to get through 91 and 92. The Fed comes along. We print our pre-FOMC price that we track at 86.5. We get a nice lower high in that area. Also coincided at the time with the hourly mid-band, and we shorted the hell out of it. We just took our runners for 35, right into the GDP number at 830. They popped it up to 56.75. We actually just put out a long setup against VWAP, which is 53. I'm interested to see if it wants to kind of walk things up into the bell, and then we'll deal with whatever it is we're going to deal with. You've got that hourly mid-band up at 61. Probably deserves a test. First and foremost, we complain. Everybody complains about the tape all the time. Listen, if you're a trader, you got nothing to complain about. This is a great trading tape this week. We did 33 on Monday. We did the 90s on Wednesday. We're back into the 40s. I mean, the volatility has come back nicely. And what I would remind everybody that was emailing me and in the room and making comments on YouTube, the last couple of weeks about there's no volatility and this and this is bullshit and the whole thing. Look, yeah, okay. Sometimes there's going to be volatility. Sometimes there's going to be no volatility. No volatility begets volatility, begets no volatility. It comes, it goes, it comes and goes. Well, it's here. It's awesome. So what I'm looking for today, I'm looking to see if the Bears can take out that weekly low. The weekly low at 33 is still intact. Okay? We're well below, we are well below the daily mid-band. So the story now is, can it take out 33 and can it go get that lower band? So back to the daily for a minute. So lower band here is 32.19, coincides with the 50. 50 sitting at like 14. If you can get a lower low, a weekly low, it's only Thursday. I don't know why, but in my brain, I've been like running a day. I came in today thinking it was Friday, which is kind of depressing when you find out it's Thursday. But I'll press forward. We got a couple days left in the week, and while the Bulls pushed it up nicely yesterday, ultimately we dealt with a lot of levels yesterday, but this sucker right here held. So it's the same thing I always tell you. We're just usually talking about the Bulls having the advantage. I'm sorry, but the Bears have the advantage of the two directional days late in the week. The Bulls had their chance to convert. We talked yesterday morning about converting three things: the roundy, the 9-day, and the weekly pivot. It did not happen. Over. Okay? Not only did they over, they didn't challenge it. They broke down out of those consolidated bands. They failed at the pre-FOMC price and the hourly mid-band, and they took it pretty much straight down to 32.40. So now the trick for the Bears is they can't let up. But remember, Bears don't get days off. No days off. They have to deal with 33. If they can deal with 33 and get some momentum, they may need news to find the momentum. Then that opens up the lower band down at 19 and the 50-day down at 14. And if that happens as we get into Friday, we'll be talking about a roundy, but we'll be talking about a different roundy. So, bottom line, really nice tape right now. What do the Bulls need to do? Well, converting volume-weighted average price at 53 would be a good start. The real delineator, though, is going to be the hourly mid-band on the upside, 61. So, at this point, I paused the video. They could not convert volume weighted average price. So we put a short setup out against 55, and we'll see if this wants to go back and test the lows. And for those of you that are not in the room, anybody in the room is not surprised. Anybody not in the room, yeah, look, this is not an intellectual exercise. This is not an ideology. This is, what is price doing now? And if price is not working to one side, we will try it to the other side. We are not trying to plant our flag with a target and try to show the world how right we are. That has nothing to do with being a successful trader at all. At all. And if you want to learn more about that, come on in, and we will show you the stuff that we do every day to try to stay flexible, price, risk, and chipping away, day at a time. Everybody always wants to talk about the huge days. We did 43 yesterday, 16, 17 the day, 19 and 16.6. Our goal in this room remains 4 handles a day. That's it. Because in that level of consistency, you build muscle memory, you build confidence, and that's how you grow your trading account. So everybody have a great day. We'll have some more stuff out on social. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.